Welcome to BizTech Solutions, where you'll always find the best deals in the market. The PowerEgg X is a flyer, not a fryer, despite its culinary name. In a market dominated by water-resistant drones, PowerVision's airborne orb stands out for its ability to fly in the rain and land on lakes, with the Wizard bundle. The plastic waterproof casing degrades image quality, but the ability to work in, and float on, the wet things opens up a world of creative possibilities. The modular design, on the other hand, has a lot of flexibility. The PowerEgg X may also be used as a handheld gimbal camera or a self-contained AI camera that can be installed on a tripod and controlled with hand gestures. The disadvantage of the adjustable arrangement is that it takes longer to set up. It may be little, but it takes a few minutes to remove the protective covering from the body, attach the propeller arms, and set up the controller.